guys, welcome to Flip Fashion. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox, review and tell you how you can order a lot of items for rupees 199 from the Smytten app. These are trials, that means they are not full-size products, they are small versions of them, but even they are like in a good quantity, so you can try them and buy the full-size ones if they suit you. First one is the Wow onion and black seed oil, which is really nice. I've used it and it is chemical free, parabens free, and yeah, it's really nice. Next is the Sapta gel by Just Herbs. Now when I used this to remove my makeup, it removed the makeup like okay, and it was very irritating for my skin and it caused irritation and dryness to my skin, so I'm not gonna buy this. Maybe it will suit your skin, so you can try it and maybe it works for you, but it did not work for me, so I'll never buy this again. Now let me focus the camera. Yeah, so the next product in my list is the Mamaearth onion shampoo. Now when I used it, it was like there was no foam in my hair, so maybe it didn't work for me. Next is the Biotique face wash, honey gel face wash. It is like literally a gel consistency and it's nice, it cleanses well. Next is the Smytten body lotion. This moisturizes really well and is non-greasy, so you can try it. Onion conditioner is also nice, but the shampoo is not, so maybe you can try the conditioner. Next product is the Smytten face wash, which is absolutely like, I love it, and it has granules also, so it kind of scrubs your face. Next is the Eba BB cream, which I have not yet used, but when I use it, I'll let you know, so keep checking the shorts. Next is the Smytten face mask. It really cleanses the skin and is like really well. It smells really nice also. Now this was for 0 trial points, so I just added in my cart without any reason, and it's a men's deo, so yeah, it has no use for me. It also has a card to test like any 2 deodorants. The next product is a sunscreen. I don't remember the brand name, but yeah, this is a tinted sunscreen, which again I have not tried, so I don't know if it actually protects your skin or not. Otherwise the texture is like the primers we use. Next is the argan hair mask, which is really nice. It makes your hair very silky smooth. Now let's see how you can order this. So first download the Smytten app, and you can download from the Play Store or App Store. Then just sign up. You can choose your preferences. For example, I have chosen beauty and grooming, fragrances and makeup. Next is you can choose any way of signing up. Add your details, your name, your address, your PIN code. Now once you skip all this. Now when you enter your details here, add my referral code, which is there in the description box as well, and it's there on your screen as well. Now what will happen when you apply this code, you will get 6 trial points. So the products are not actually for money in the trial section, they are for trial points. For example, I told you that deo was for 0 trial points, and similarly other products were for 1 trial points or 2 trial points. So 6 trial points can get you 6 products, and if some product is for 0 trial points, you can even get 7 products for rupees 199, just like I got. Now just explore and choose whatever products you like. For example, the Smytten face wash, face mask, and there are lots of brands, like really good brands, which you can explore and buy. I hope this video was useful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.